let's make a fabric-backed glass cutting board that's washable. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So this is a glass cutting board from Dollar Tree. Don't fight me on this. It's glass and it says cutting board. No, I will not be using it for cutting. No worries. Anyways, so first thing I do is I take the wrapper off and I take all of these little feet. They're just stuck on there. Put them on the side. We're going to use them later. And then I use some rubbing alcohol and I just wipe it and make sure it's dry. Then after that, I put a nice healthy coat of dishwasher safe Mod Podge. It has to be some kind of waterproof sealant. Okay. All right. So then we have, look at this fabric. I got it when I was in Kentucky at Hobby Lobby. It's chickens. I love it so much. Woo. All right. Calm down. It's okay. So we're going to put it right side down on the Mod Podge, and we're going to smooth out all of our wrinkles. Could I have ironed it first? Absolutely. Should I have? Probably. Did I? No. I just smooth it out. Do my hands get a little Mod Podgey? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So all I'm going to do first is just rough cut it out. I'm not making it so that it's, even to the side of the cutting board. Nothing. I'm going to encourage, though, friends, because these scissors were poop and it was irritating. Use a pair of nice sharp scissors. It'll make your life so much less irritated. All right. So I just loose cut it out. Okay. Then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to cut it out so that it is flush to the cutting board. Now, when I do this, I use, again, nice sharp scissors are key. And I actually tilt my scissors in towards the edge of the board. Does that make sense? And then I cut. Look at how it makes it so that it's flush and it is beautiful, and every time it works. And do I have to go back and trim it? Sometimes, but not all that often when I do it this method. I'm just telling you right now, could I have put this on straighter? Probably. Probably. I know somebody's going to be looking at this and being like, it's off. I know. But guess what? I'm off too, and I'm okay. So there's that. All right. So then once we get that all trimmed up, and you might have some little stray threads here and there, that's fine. Cut them off. Then we're going to put a healthy coat of Mod Podge. This is dishwasher safe Mod Podge on the back. You want it to soak into the fabric. And I actually do this, let it dry, then I do another coat. I do 2 coats. It is washable. I would never put this in the dishwasher only because I don't have the patience to wait 21 days. I wait till it's dry and then I can hand wash it. And look, it's dry. And what am I going to use mine for? We have game night. We're crazy about game night in my house. So I'm going to make like a mini charcuterie board on it. It's going to be adorable for like cheese and crackers. Oh, and before I forget, we did put those little feet, those little silicone, words are hard. It's fine. Silicone feet, put them all back on there. You could put extra glue on if you want. I didn't because they're super, super sticky. So it worked for me. And quit it right now. Like, this fabric makes it, but how fun is this, right? You could use this for a charcuterie board, or you could use it for plants, or you could use it for a cutting board, I suppose. Again, don't yell at me in the comments. I understand if you don't want to use this for a cutting board, don't, but it says it on the wrapper. It's a cutting board. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.